Also today, the Supreme Court blocked President Biden's federal mandates for vaccine and testing for large businesses. But it will allow a vaccine mandate for certain healthcare workers to take effect. Our ABC 10 News reporter Sophia Hernandez joins us from downtown to explain how this will impact all of us here in San Diego County. Sophia.
Yes, Steve, as you mentioned, I spoke with a legal analyst who says that there are two parts to this. The first is that the Supreme Court says that OSHA does not have the power to issue a federal mandate to millions of workers. The second, OSHA can move forward with a federal vaccine mandate for some healthcare workers.
What the court said is, look, the people who are challenging this mandate are very likely to win. So in the meantime, you can't enforce it.
Legal analyst Dan Eden says the Supreme Court blocking of President Biden's vaccine mandate protects roughly 84 million Americans who work at employers with more than 100 employees from being required to get vaccinated or subject to weekly testing and wear a mask.
The Supreme Court said, OSHA, you went too far in issuing a vaccine mandate that really deals with a general hazard of public health.
However, this block doesn't stop private or public employers or local and state governments from enforcing their own mandates. So the big question is
the state of California going to try to issue a vaccine mandate that the Federal Occupational Safety and Health Administration has been found not to have? Because understand that the state can regulate more broadly than the federal government.
So far, the state has not issued a vaccine mandate for workers. Thursday, the Supreme Court did authorize OSHA to allow healthcare facilities on federal funds to require their employees to be vaccinated. In California, it changes nothing for healthcare workers, as the state has already required vaccinations and boosters. However, Eden says there is still the possibility the state creates their own mandate, or OSHA comes back to the drawing board with a different version of this action.
When we're talking about COVID-19 and coronavirus, we are talking about a pandemic which since its inception has been moving faster than the speed of law. These two rulings that the Supreme Court has issued today are confirmation of that. The key, stay tuned.
Now, Eden says there are at least two possibilities for what can happen now. The first is that OSHA withdraws this mandate, revises it, and tries again. The second is that the lower courts can take all of this evidence and see if OSHA does in fact have the power to issue this mandate. Now, Eden does not believe that that will happen. Reporting live, Sophia Hernandez, ABC 10 News.
I like what he said. Stay tuned. Anything can happen. Sophia, thank you. The Biden